Hello and welcome to our video on understanding the Theodicies in Islamic theology. The existence of evil and suffering has always been a complex and challenging issue to grapple with, and Islamic theology provides various Theodicies to help us understand the purpose of suffering. In this video, we will explore these Theodicies and how they offer insight into why suffering exists. Suffering is a universal phenomenon that has plagued humanity since the dawn of time. It has many forms, ranging from natural disasters to personal tragedies, and it often raises the question of why a loving God would allow such pain and suffering to exist. In Islamic theology, the Theodicies provide possible wisdoms that require extensive elucidation for the existence of suffering. One of the primary Theodicies is that suffering might occur for the sake of testing a human being's free will. Through suffering, an individual is given the opportunity to choose to follow the right path and gain a higher place in paradise. This is seen as a blessing in disguise, one that serves as a test at the moment the calamity strikes. Another Theodicy is that suffering might occur for the sake of guiding one who became misguided. Through suffering, an individual is reminded of their relationship with God and is guided towards the right path. This serves as a reminder to return back to God. Suffering might also occur as a test for those who can assist the one who is suffering. It is a means of testing their faith and helping others, which increases their ranks in paradise. Moreover, suffering might occur to purify the believer of sins so that they will meet God without sins and thus without any punishment in the next life. It can also increase human beings' gratitude for all that they have taken for granted, such as good health. While there are many other possible Theodicies, the primary solution from the Islamic paradigm revolves around the boundlessness of God's wisdom and knowledge compared to our extremely limited knowledge. It is also dependent on the epistemological certainty of belief in the Quran, which provides elucidation about God's wisdom, knowledge, mercy, and permission. In conclusion, understanding the Theodicies in Islamic theology can provide us with a framework for understanding the purpose of suffering. Through the various Theodicies discussed in this video, we can see how suffering is not without purpose or meaning, and it can serve as a means of testing our faith, guiding us towards the right path, and purifying our souls. While the question of why suffering exists may never have a straightforward answer, exploring the Theodicies in Islamic theology can help us find meaning in the midst of adversity. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been insightful. Subscribe my channel.